Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be continuing with the Adavus of lesson number 14. The step number today I will show is 3 and 4. So first I will begin with step number 3. The feet movement is as same as step number 2. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now the hand gesture, the mudras used will be Kataka Mukha and Alapadma. So how the hand will go? The Kataka Mukha will change to Alapadma and it will go up. Both the hands will go up and it will reach over the head. Upon reaching, the mudras will be changed to Kataka Mukha. Again, you have to bring the hands down. Again it will change to Alapadma and while coming in original position it will be changed to Kataka Mukha. So tat tei tat dhit tei tat tat tei tat dhit tei tat. It's very simple. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So there will be eye movement along the movement of hand. So while the hand is going up, the eye movement will be up, and when the hand is coming down, the eye will go according to the hand. So tat tei tam, dhit tei tam. Again tat tei tam, dhit tei tam. So it will be done with both the sides, right and left. So now, step number 4. First I will show the feet movement. We have to take Aramandi posture. Tat, tei, tei, tat. Dhit, tei, tei, tat. Again, tat, tei, tei, tat. Dhit, tei, tei, tat. The hasta used in step number 4 is Tri Pataka, and we need to hold like this in upward direction. The mudra will be upward, and while spreading the leg, hand will be spread like this. Tat, tei. Then we have to turn towards left. Then again come back into original position. First, the hands and legs will go either left or right. Again we'll bring back the hand in original position and tap the feet. Then again turn towards the other side. Ta, ta. So here also there will be eye movement with the hand. Ta, tei, tei, tat. Dhit, tei, tei, tat. Tat, tei, tei, tat. Dhit, tei, tei, tat. Now I will do little bit fast. Tat, tei, tei, tat. Dhit, tei, tei, tat. Tat, tei, tei, tat. Dhit, tei, tei, tat. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching my video.